My name is Richard Taylor. I'm a third-generation California farmer. I started farming in 1974 when I was 22, got out of college. We started organic production in the late 1980s. We're the largest organic prune farmers in California, which makes it in the world. We market worldwide. We have a processing facility in Yuba City, California. Our orchards are in Sutter County and Tehama County. We have a processing plant in Grudziądz, Poland, where we ship product to and process and distribute through Europe. And we have a partnership and a processing plant in South Korea. I've been through 60 prune harvests, maybe even before, working a little bit when we were 7, 8, 9. But 10, driving tractor, pulling sheets on a canvas machine, and by 12 I was driving the shaker. So I've seen a lot of prunes harvested and dried, and I grew up in it and decided I wanted to come back to it because that's what I know, and we've just moved forward over those years. After prunes are dried, they're graded, they're sized and stored. And we process year-round pitted prunes, prune concentrate, prune paste. We supply most of the organic prune paste for the baby food in the United States. It's been a very good market. Prune trees are deciduous. They go dormant in the winter, bloom in March, mid-March. Harvest is in mid to early August, lasts for anywhere from 30 to 40, 50 days. The harvest is 12 hours a day, but the dryers run 24 hours a day as the fruit continuously is put in the dryer, brought out of the dryer, and stacked again and put back into the dryer. The dried prune is derived from the French Irrigation variety. It has very high solid bricks, high sugar content, which makes an excellent dried prune. It's usually not sold as a fresh plum. They're always dried. A lot of our property orchards border the Feather River. It's a rich, sandy loam, riparian water, either through a water district or our own riparian water. We irrigate 3 to 4 times a year, flood irrigate. We also have underground drip irrigation, above ground drip irrigation. All the water is snowpack or rainwater. Sacramento Valley is a Mediterranean climate. We have very hot summers, cold winters. It's excellent for growing deciduous fruit trees. When I left college in 1974, my dad put a $10,000 loan on 19 acres of prunes. He took the crop off and sold it, kept the money, took his down payment back, and then deeded the property over to me. So I started pruning, irrigating, and grew the farm from there.